Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through an easy but super effective way to fix those annoying gaps on your TradingView charts. If you've ever looked at your candlestick charts and noticed those unsightly breaks between some of the candles, you know how distracting they can be, especially when you're trying to analyze price action or backtest your strategies. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your charts look seamless and much easier on the eyes without losing any important data. So let's dive right in and get your charts looking sharp. Alright, the very first thing you want to do is head over to one of the candles on your TradingView chart. Don't worry about which specific candle, you can just click right on the chart and then go to the chart settings. Here we're going to change something called the chart type. By default, it's usually set to candles, but what you want to do here is switch it over to step line. Now you might be wondering, why are we doing this? Well, the step line chart type actually follows the closing price from bar to bar without leaving visible gaps, unlike candlestick or bar charts. This gives us a good foundation for smoothing out those gaps, though it might temporarily make the chart look a little odd if you're used to standard candles. Don't worry, we're not done yet. Next, with the step line selected, look for the opacity settings. These are usually found under the style or color section in the chart's format options. What we want to do here is make the actual line completely transparent, so take that opacity slider and drag it all the way down to 0. This way, even though the step line is still technically on in the background, it won't clutter up the view or interfere with any other chart tools you might be using. Think of this step like wiping your chalkboard clean before starting a new drawing. You're prepping the surface for our next move. Now let's tackle the main trick that brings all of this together. Up at the top of TradingView, there's an Indicators button. Go ahead and click on that. In the search bar that pops up, start typing No Gaps Candles. You should see a script or a custom indicator pop up with that name. Click on it to add it to your chart. What this tool does is really clever. It reconstructs the candlesticks and visually fills in those unwanted gaps, essentially giving you a smoother price action story. It's kind of like photoshopping out the parts you don't need, but with price data. After you've added that indicator, take a moment to look over your chart. You should see that the gaps between candles are gone, and the price action flows much more continuously. It's pretty satisfying, right? One thing to note, if you don't see the indicator immediately taking effect or it looks a bit off, give it a moment to load. Internet speed and chart complexity can affect how fast new indicators show up, so don't stress if it takes a second. Patience pays off. That's all there is to it. Your TradingView chart should now look a whole lot cleaner with no more awkward gaps breaking up the flow. This little fix can make a world of difference, especially when you're analyzing trends or sharing screenshots with other traders. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own tips for customizing TradingView charts. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.